doing, everybody? Matt Jamieson here in my home office in Salmon River, New Brunswick, Canada. And today I'm going to teach you how to add a picture and customize a banner on a YouTube channel that you've just created, or even if you have an existing one and you want to change or make a new banner. So I'm not going to show you how to go set up a YouTube account. Go to youtube.com and you're going to be able to create an account. And then once you get to inside, you're going to come and we're going to show you how to customize it. So I'm going to click on Customize Channel. I'm going to pause and be right back. Okay, we're back. So we are in the channel customization tab. It opened a new window or a new tab, and we want to go to branding. And here you can see upload a profile picture. So I'm going to go to upload, and it's going to go into my hard drive, into my pictures. And you can see that I have a picture here I want to use right here. There we go. That's perfect. That's exactly how I want to use it. I'm going to hit done, and boom, you've got a picture for your profile of your channel at this point in time. Next, I want a banner for the top of my YouTube channel. So I'm going to teach you guys how to go to Canva. It's a free website or a free service. They do have paid, but I just use free. And hold on, I'm going to pause, be right back. Okay, once you get to canva.com, canva.com, you can see it up here, canva.com. What do you want to design today? I want to design a YouTube banner. So I'm going to go ahead and hit YouTube banner. So you're going to search for YouTube banners. They're going to come up with a whole bunch of different stuff. You can build one from scratch, or you can go down and find one. I had found one that I liked before, and it's free. So I'm going to go find it again. For me, this is the one I like that I'm going to use. Right here, it's a black modern vlogger one, I guess. But anyway, I like it. It's got a keyboard and cell phone and subscribe button. So I'm going to go ahead and hit pause and click on that. It's going to open a new window. Okay, I'm back. And the reason I keep pausing is so that we don't have to have dead space while windows load or tabs load and so on and so forth. So here we are. And I clicked on customize. So it's going to allow me to customize this. So you can see it's in blocks, different blocks, so on and so forth. So I'm going to go ahead and up here, I'm going to put, edit this, get rid of that. And I'm going to put my channel name. That's what I want to put. So at SUCCESS with Matt Jamieson. Now that's really big, so I'm actually going to change the font. So we can go up here and we can find a font that we like. I think I'm going to use Impact. See how that changed? And then I'm going to go up here and I'm going to downsize that. See, I'm making it smaller because it was way too big, and I want to do this. There we go, maybe a little bit smaller. And so with that being said, I then want to, I'm going to pull this Finance Academy down, and I'm going to pull Success with Matt Jamieson down a little bit because I want to have it down here. And you might have to mess around with this, but it's very simple. So there you go. I'm going to put my website here, which is www.matthewjameson.com. So I'm going to have people visit. Again, I don't like that font, so I'm going to go find the new font. I think I'm going to use the same one as I used before, which was, where'd it go? Impact. I really like the Impact. It's a little bit small. I'm going to go ahead and make that a little bit bigger. And I'm going to pause for a sec. And I'm back. So I'm going to, you see this here where it says Finance Academy. I'm going to change that myself. And I'm going to put helping you succeed online. And you can put whatever you want. I'm going to pull this wider. I'm going to change that font so my fonts are all kind of the same. There we go. And I'm going to use Impact. And I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, perfect. And then same here. I'm going to change that. Go a little bit bigger. I'm going to stretch that wider so it's all in one box. And then I'm going to kind of line these up so that they there. All right, let's see. I think that I want to put a no, I think that's fine. Let's see, I'm going to move Matthew Jamieson there. I think there we go. So there, I think that people can read that. And then here, I want to change my image. So I want to, no, I don't want to duplicate it. Okay, no, my bad. So I want to, hold on one sec, be right back. Okay, I'm back. So what you want to do is you want to left click on the image. Up top, you can see edit photo. And again, this is just the one I'm building. You can play around with this. You can take as much time as you want. And so I want to edit the photo, and I want to go ahead and upload a photo. I already uploaded it, so it's right there. I want to put that image there. And I want to delete that one. Delete. There we go. I'm going to move, oh, I've got a couple images here, so I'm just going to delete one of them. I'm going to move this one over here, and I want to make it a little bit smaller. It's a little bit too big, right? So I'm going to go ahead and pull this in. There we go. So see how I can make it smaller? I didn't want it that big. I'm going to put it right above the subscribe button. Maybe a little bit smaller. There. Move this over a little bit, I think. Right there. And just make sure that's centered and put that right there. So I'm going to go ahead now and go up to, it says share. And then I'm going to download to my hard drive. You see that? So share, and then go down here to download. And then I'm going to go to JPEG. I'm going to download it. So you can see it's going to go. See how it's downloading? And then it's going to go into my downloads. Okay. There we go. So I'm going to pause again. Okay, we're back. We're going to go ahead and upload that banner to the channel. Actually, hold on a second. I'm going to backtrack. I forgot to do something. So hold on a sec. Okay, so I'm back. So I decided not to change what I was going to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit upload. It's going to open up the window. I'm going to go to my downloads. I should have renamed it, but whatever. And we're going to do this. Customize banner art. And TV viewable on the desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and viewable on all devices. So hold on a sec. Okay, I'm back. Hit upload. Again, so whatever I did brought me back here. Go to success. I renamed it. And anyway, I'm going to hit done. Done. Okay, what happened? Oh, there we go. And I want to view my channel. So I'm going to hit, and I'm going to hit publish. And it's publishing. See the bar going across. Changes published, go to channel. So I'm going to come down here. Okay, so we're back and we're viewing my channel. So as you can see now, I've got a banner. I thought it was going to be bigger, but you know what? That looks good. I like it. Matt Jamieson, www.matthewjamieson.com, helping you succeed online. My profile picture. That's going to work for now. You can always go back and mess around, but that's going to get you started. So play around with it and get it going. So then I'm going to upload my first video, which is going to be this one. Tune in for more information on how to customize and do different things here with YouTube. But this is how you get your picture in a custom banner, if you want one, on your YouTube channel. Cheers.